My name is Christina Bell. I'm Senior Director of Sales at USLED. At Humble Elementary, we did the interior. That includes the cafeteria, the library, the stage, the classrooms, the offices for the front staff. On the exterior, we did the parking lots, the wall packs, and the under canopy light as well.
The lights are a dramatic change in that they do build a sense of this natural lighting in spaces where we do not have any windows in the building. So obviously we want to make sure that our students have bright light so that their learning spaces are engaging and inviting.
Lighting is a very important feature within a building to make sure that you can remain on task, not get distracted. If you're working after hours or if your students are coming in and out after hours or the staff is, security is a very important piece of that to ensure that, one, the parents feel safe in bringing their students into the building.
The lighting project was a pretty seamless project for us. We really didn't have any interference of people coming in and working during the day. So this was done all during one of our breaks. So that made it very easy for us to handle on the logistical side of the installation.
USLED is recognized nationally for some of the best products in the world in terms of warranty, quality, and value. I think having a quality partner that can come in and deliver a highly impactful project in a time that's well priced and done very quickly in comparison to how quick most competitors could get it done, I think that is all the value to our clients, along with the initiatives they're trying to accomplish.